All right, so you are an expert with your primary colors, blue, red, and yellow. And now we're going to mix it up and make some secondary colors. And there's a great little story, and it's actually called Mix It Up. So you can watch that before you do this activity. So what I have gone ahead and did, I made up some, let's call them recipes. So I have added some colors. So blue plus yellow, and we have equals green. Blue plus red equals purple, and yellow plus red equals orange. So these are almost like recipes for the secondary colors. So you can do that as an activity with the class all together, or a center. But you could also have these recipe cards made up and put them with some paint so they can actually try them. Okay, so it's just like a little recipe card. So you can have your paint. I have my 3 primary colors, my paintbrush, and then I can go ahead and I can start mixing. So you can say, how would you make the color green? And if they're not sure, tell them to check the recipe card. Okay, so we need a little bit of blue and a little bit of yellow. And if it's not working out, they'll have to add a little bit more of a color until they get it. And then you can check to see if it was right. So I made the color green. So if I check my sentence, blue plus yellow, bingo, it was right. It was green. So they can do that again as a little math sentence, or they can just have fun playing with the colors and mixing it up. So just a fun way to play to learn more about your secondary colors and how they're made. A little extension to the secondary colors is I have a little bag with some mystery items, which they always love the mystery items. So have someone come and pick something out. A purple glove. And then they have to tell me what 2 colors would make the color purple. So this could be a bit tricky. If they need to call a friend, then they can do that. But to make purple, you need blue plus red. So let's see what else we have in here. Ooh, an orange ladle. What 2 colors do you need to make orange? Yellow plus red, you're right. There's another item. Oh, some green beads. Blue plus yellow equals green. That's right. So you can have a lot more items in there. You can have these items at your color center. You can be aware of them inside and outside and ask them what the recipe is to make that secondary color. So have fun making new colors using